About the big tech earnings which came out yesterday post-market hours. We're talking about Alphabet and Microsoft. Now, in terms of the headline, both Alphabet and Microsoft, Alphabet is the parent company of Google. Both of them reported good numbers, right? A beat compared to what the street was expecting. So they are making a comeback after the drubbing that they got last year. But when you look at the reaction in the post-markets, you've seen a big fall in Alphabet share prices, while Microsoft share prices have zoomed, right? Alphabet was down 6%, while Microsoft was up close to about 4%. Here's the reason for the disparity, because the street is focusing on their cloud business. For Microsoft, their cloud business is called Azure, and for Google, it's called Google Cloud. And here, these are the numbers. For Google Cloud, we've seen a slowdown in their revenue growth. This quarter, the cloud business has gone up by 22%, which compares with 28% a year prior. But for Microsoft Azure, we've actually seen a pickup on a quarter-on-quarter basis, 28% revenue growth in the current quarter. The street was worried about that as clients cut down on costs, there is a cost optimization taking place, cloud spends will also get impacted. Also, when you look at the pecking order of the top players in the cloud market, you've got AWS, you've got Azure, and cloud. Now, cloud is the number 3 player. There is a market share gap between the leaders, which is AWS and Microsoft Azure. And now what the street is saying is that post these numbers, the market share gap between the leaders, AWS and Azure, Microsoft Azure, will only widen versus Google Cloud. And plus, Google Cloud's pure search engine, which is their bread and butter business, is also getting impacted with generational AI chatbots. Chatbots which use generative AI, and they're coming up with contextual knowledge. So that's also a concern, that their search business is maturing. It's facing headwinds, perhaps, from Gen AI chatbots at a time when the Google Cloud business is not really firing as much as peers. Also, on the other hand, when you look at Microsoft and what Satya Nadella had to say in the earnings call and see the number of times he uses the word AI, he said his company was winning more customers for Azure via OpenAI APIs as leading AI startups use OpenAI to power their AI solutions, right? So it's all about AI. In that one statement, the word AI has come 4 times. So that's the reason why in the big tech earnings, you are seeing that earnings reaction. Microsoft's cloud business is booming. The stock is reacting favorably in the aftermarket share performance, while Google's cloud business has slowed down and the stock has taken a bit of a slump.
All right, very interesting there, Reema. Thanks a lot for bringing us up to speed with all of those, big tech earnings. But